It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with 50th question of the day, right? So we have done 50 sessions. Those who are aiming at 15 by 15 in General Aptitude section of GATE 2023, irrespective of the branch. This class is for all the branches, right? So I can assure you that you will get damn surely 15 by 15 in your General Aptitude section for sure, right? So today also, let's see some of the best questions which were asked in different test series, right? Different blocks. I have pulled some best questions there. Let's solve today, okay? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials, right? Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So, many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic? And what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? In iconic, one such greatest advantage is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will get the best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage is you will be getting personalized test analysis. Here, this is the need of the students right now, because most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. We are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed. Your mistakes are identified, and if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted, right? So of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now, how much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, this will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me, and you will get 10% off. After 10% discount, the price will be 53,737 for 24 months. For 12 months, it will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. These are normal prices now. Right now, we have a special offer, right? Now see here, you will be getting flat 20% discount, and this offer is extended up to July 29. It's not 10%. You will be getting flat 20%. And do you know, you will be getting flat 20% discount. You will be getting printed notes for plus subscribers, and you will be beating the price hike by at least 10%, right? So all these benefits together, if you subscribe before July 29, right? So all together, you will be saving more than 30% there. So do try to subscribe, those who are serious to join the courses and crack it, right? And these are the prices for iconic, right? As I said there, you will be getting 20% discount on this prices, flat 20% discount on this prices when you use my code NLN10. As I already said that to whomsoever subscribes in this window, so this GATE printed notes will be available for both plus and iconic subscribers, right? And so you'll be getting flat 20% there. Yes, and yes, let's start the question there. Now this is the question, a little bit trickish one, but I'll explain you perfectly, right? So in the figure given below, find the value of angle R plus angle S plus angle D, plus missing here, plus angle D plus angle U, right? So what's the logic there to solve here? Chalo, I'll take down like this, right? Closely observe there. You are observing a polygon inside this. This is a polygon. Am I right or wrong? So I'll take those angles like this. I'll take down this angle as A. Then I'll take down this angle as B. And I'll take down this angle as C. I'll take down this angle as D. Take down this angle as E. So F, G, H, I. And so let's find out this. Now closely observe there. What will be this angle? So total sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So can I write down this as 180 minus A? 180 minus A degrees. Will you accept with me? Similarly, what will be this angle? Sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Now this will be 180 minus B degrees. Will you accept with me regarding this? Now observe there. Now I will round off this one. Now this is a triangle. Am I right or wrong? So angle, sum of the angles in this triangle will be equal to how much here? 180 degrees, right? So angle R plus 180 degrees minus A plus 180 degrees minus B is nothing but equal to how much here? Calculate this. Is this 180 degrees? Yes, it is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of a triangle. Or 180, 180 will get cancelled there. So I can write down my angle R is nothing but equal to A plus B minus 180. Will you accept with me? In the same case, can I write down all those things there? Yes, I can write down the same things there. Perfectly. Now see here. I will round off this one. Now I will find out for this triangle. So this triangle, can I write down directly? Angle, yes. So as I have proved it, writing down again and again will get you bored there. So this will be B plus C minus 180. Will you accept with me? Similarly, I'll write down all those angles there so that you can get clarity, right? I'll write down one more thing. So see, I'll take down this triangle there. Now is this, so far I'm writing down final equation, as I have proved with one equation. Writing down each and everything will be waste of time. C plus D minus 180 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. I'll write down remaining things there. Angle U is nothing but equal to angle D plus angle E minus 180 degrees. Now what about angle V? Angle V is equal to E plus F minus 180 degrees. Now angle W is nothing but equal to F plus G minus 180 degrees. Angle X is equal to G plus H minus 180 degrees. Now what is left over? Y and Z. Angle Y is equal to H plus I minus 180 degrees. What is the last one? Angle Z is equal to angle I plus angle A minus 180 degrees. Done. You have done it now? Add all those things there. So if you add all those things, is it nothing but call our question? Yes, this is our question there. So how many A's are there? A's are added twice, B's are added twice, C's are added twice. So can I write down like this? So 2 into A plus B plus C. Can I write down like this? B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I. Right or wrong? Plus I, easy. Minus. How many 180s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. So is it minus 9 into 180? Now can anybody find out what is the sum of the angles of this polygon? So I'll little bit explain you regarding this side so you can get clarity. I'll write down a shape there. Let us suppose take this is a quadrilateral. Now what will be the sum of the angles of this quadrilateral? I will divide this quadrilateral by an diagonal. Is this divided into two triangles? Yes, it is divided into two triangles. So each triangle का angle कितना था? 180 degrees into 2. Similarly for pentagon there will be 3. So number or sum of the angles in a polygon will be equal to sum of the angles in polygon will be equal to how much? So see here how many sides are there in this quadrilateral? 4 are there. In this how much you have subtracted? 2 there, and that is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. The same thing should be written here also. Now closely observe there, 2 into how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 2 into 180 minus 9 into 180, nothing but your answer there. So this is 2, 7, 14. So can I take down this as 14 minus 9? 9 minus 2, 7 now? Yes, into 180. What will be the answer there? Calculate this. 14 minus 9 is nothing but 5. 5 into 180 is your answer 900 degrees. Yes, my answer is 900 degrees. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option there. Option number C. So how many of you got this logic there? Yes or no? Done. So those who follow simple basics, they are damn surely you can solve the question fatafat and easily here. You are unstoppable. Okay. Sure. Let's go for the next question. Let's see how many can solve this. Already I have explained you this logic in many classes. So I hope so you should solve this question very easily. Sumit, Clement, Anshita Gupta, right? What about my regular students? So please do try to hit the like button here. We are dealing some the best questions. So you should encourage us. When you were saying that to change the schedule to prime time, I'm requesting this to be scheduled to prime time. So mostly by this weekend it will be done here. 30 seconds more. 5 marbles of various sizes are placed in a conical funnel. Each marble is in contact with the adjacent marble. Also, each marble is in contact all around the funnel wall, it seems. The smallest marble has a radius of 8 millimeter. So the here is smallest marble has a radius of 8 millimeter. And the largest marble has an radius of 18 millimeter. Now see here. So these line segments are nothing but called tangents, right? If you closely observe there, we can decide this as tangents. What is the radius of the middlemost marble is the question asked. We know that just now we have derived a part in the previous slide. What is that? Outermost radius of the outermost circle's radius and innermost circle's radius will be in geometric progression with the middlemost circle radius when all these properties have satisfied tangents and all those things. So what will be this value there? So I will take down this as A, I will take down this as C, and I will take down this as B. So automatically what will be happen? A into C will be equal to B square. 18 into 8 will be how much? Is it 144? Yes, it is 144. So 144 is nothing but equal to B square. Now what will be my B value? My B value is nothing but equal to 12. Now once we have decided the concept there, now usage is very easy beta. Now see, this is the answer there. Perfectly done. So the same concept, na? There is no change in my concept there. Perfectly done. So done. Once you are strong in the concept here, you can easily crack the questions there. Now this question I will explain you. The next question you can solve on your own there. Now closely observe there, we have a theorem called Stewart's theorem, right? If you want the derivation, right, you can go to my previous classes and you can watch there. So what is Stewart's theorem? Can anybody say? I'll write down this theorem. So from this Stewart's theorem only Apollonius theorem is extracted beta. Stewart's theorem, anybody? So in your intermediate or +1 +2 you will be learning these things. See, I'll write down the things there. Then we can decide the thing. I'll take a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. Right. Now see here, I am dropping a line segment from A to BC. Now you closely observe there. Is this line segment median? I don't know, because median means it has to divide the base into 2 equal halves. Is it perpendicular? No, it is not making any 90 degrees with the base. I didn't wrote this. Now, is it angle bisector? No, I didn't. I never said this, right? Because it is not making any dissection of angle at the vertex there. Now, what is this called then? What is this called then? Can anybody say? It is not median. It is not perpendicular. It is not angle bisector. Now what do you call this? How do we calculate this, right? Stewart's theorem, right? So see, what I will do is I will take down this value as A. I will take down this value as C. It's called, right? Anybody? Waiting for your answer, right? If you don't know this, I mean, so you're lacking in the basic here. You're lacking in the basic here. This is called CVN. Am I right or wrong? Siva. Right? Am I right or wrong? When nothing is known, this is called CVN. Am I right or wrong? Yes, yeah. So see here. So this D will divide BC into two parts. I will take down this as MN. So you can remember this theorem like this here. CNC plus BMB. CNC plus BMB is nothing but equal to, now see here, I'll take down this as D length. So this will be DAD plus man. This is called your Stewart's theorem. From this only your Apollonius theorem will be extracted. So I'm not giving you any derivation here. Derivation you can watch, so you can just type it Stewart's theorem, NL and Sarma, right? You can get the derivation there if you want the derivation, right? I've done it. So this is the Stewart's theorem there. I can use the same Stewart's theorem to calculate this. Observe the question there. I'll take down a triangle has sides. Of course, I'll solve with all the things here. Don't worry about that. A triangle has sides 20, 48 and 52 centimeters. I'll take a triangle A, B, C. This triangle is cut into two pieces of equal areas by a single straight cut. Now, what is this single straight cut? The single straight cut has to make your triangle into two pieces of equal areas, it seems. How many of you know this? Anybody in the comment section box? Now see here, I have dropped a line segment from A to BC. I will take down this as D. Now you closely observe there. If this AD line segment divides the base into two equal halves. Now closely observe there. Find out the area of this half into your base value is BD into height value is AD. Come to the right hand side part. Right hand side part area is also half into, of course, DC or BD both are same, right? Because equal na, into AD. Now closely observe there, your left hand side, right hand side part areas are equal. Am I right or wrong? So what is the single straight cut? A median can divide a triangle into two parts of equal areas. How many of you know this property? If you know this property, you can solve it very easily. Now this single straight cut is nothing but called median. Okay, fine. What is the maximum possible sum of the perimeters of the two pieces is the question asked. So of course, I know that this is median perfectly, because in this slide I don't know whether it is median, so I took it as CVS. Okay, let's come back. I know it is median. So how to find out median? We have a formula called Apollonius theorem. Can anybody say what is the theorem, Apollonius theorem? AB square plus AC square is nothing but equal to 2 into AD square plus, I can take down BD square or DC square, both are same now. Give a slash like this. By this I can find out. Now see again, the question asked is, you are asked to find out maximum possible sum of perimeters, it seems. So closely observe there, AB square plus AC square must be maximum. I have three combinations, 20, 48, 52. Which combination will give you maximum? 48, 52 will give you maximum combination. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So this I should take it as 48. This I should take it as 52. This I should take it as 20. So it is divided into two equal half. This is 10. This is 10. And this is your AD value. Now see here, I'll calculate AB square is nothing but equal to 48 whole square plus 52 whole square. So I'll take down this 2 into the denominator. Yes, perfectly. Minus AD or BD. Is it 100? So I'll take down this 100 like this. This is your AD square value. Now calculate this and let me know the value there. How much is 48 square, ma? 48 into 48 will be 2304. Plus how much is 52 square? 52 into 52 is 2704. I hope so you are getting 5008. 2704 plus 2304 is 5008 divided by 2. 5008 divided by 2 is how much? 2504. 2504 minus 100 will be how much? 2404. So finally 2404 is nothing but equal to AD square. Everybody know 2401 is 49. So my AD value will be approximately equal to 49. Am I right or wrong? Just about 2409 na, 2401 na, this is 49. Now add this perimeters there, that will be an answer there. 49 plus 48 plus 10, is it 107? The perimeter of this triangle is 107. Come to this 52 plus 49 plus 10 is nothing but equal to 111. So how much will be the answer there? Finally, perimeter is 218, and this is my option there. How many of you got the answer there? Perfectly done, na? Apollonius theorem. Or otherwise, if you know this as median, you can use the same Stewart's theorem also to calculate the quotient area. Of course, I will take down the same data. This is C na, 48. 48 into 48 will be 48 square. Now n value is 10. I will take down n as n and m are same na, so I will take down 10 as common there. 10 plus. Now close B is nothing but equal to how much? 52. This is what I took there. 52 square. Okay, fine. And again closely observe there D. This is what I have to find out. D square. How much is A? 20 into 20 plus again 20. So see here, I can take down like this. So my Stewart's theorem will be converted to, am I right or wrong? So A is 20 na, A is 20, so I will take down D square plus M into N is nothing but M into N. I hope so you got my point there. Then 10 into 10 na? So is it exactly my Apollonius theorem? Yes, perfectly. Ab dekho, see here. This is what my Apollonius theorem there. Observe there. AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. I'll write down here. Is equal to 2 into D square is nothing but AD square. M into N is nothing but equal to anything of this, right? BD square or DC square. So even though if you do with Stewart's theorem, of course, right, Apollonius theorem is extracted from Stewart's theorem only, ma, because see here, your CVAS will be converted to median if it divides the base into two equal halves. Your CVAS will be converted to angle bisector if it divides the angle at the vertex into two equal halves. Your CVAS will be converted to perpendicular if it makes 90 degrees with the base, right? This is the basic there that you should learn there. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Done. So a little bit elaborate explanation. Now I am expecting you guys to answer this question. These type of questions are being frequently asked in the examination here. Now in this question, so I missed out some data. The data is you have to find out the AB length here. Line segment AB length that you have to find out. This is what. Try this. Hi John, yes, it is 218. The answer for this, two semicircles are drawn with two opposite sides of the squares as diameters. A circle is inscribed such that it touches the square internally, the two semicircles externally, as shown in the figure. The radius of the small circle is 1 unit, esteems. You are asked to find out AB length. Same type of question, similar type of question we have solved in the previous class, in second geometry class. I think today students are not so interested in the class, right? Kya hua, right? Please do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to more number of audience to like the session. Seconds more. Yeah. So see here, I'll draw like this. Now this is nothing but, I'll take down like this. I'll take down this as R. I'll take down this as R. So my AB value will become 2r. So this is what I have to find out there. And radius of the small circle is given as 1 unit, it seems here. So finally, is this nothing but called my radius of the large circle? Yes, perfectly. Is this nothing but called my radius of the small circle? Hi Somitra. This is your radius of the small circle. Now see here, complete. This value is how much here? Is this nothing but called r plus 1? Yes, this is r plus 1. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So I'll take down like this. Now see here, this line segment I'll take down like this. And this line segment is nothing but called r. Am I right or wrong? This is your r. Now how much is this here? Closely observe there. From here to here, it is nothing but called radius, but you have removed this point called small 1 unit. Am I right or wrong? If you remove this point there, so this will be total from r, you have removed 1 unit. Now can you find out by Pythagoras theorem? Now this is a right angle. Well, can I take down this r square plus r minus 1 whole square is equal to r plus 1 whole square. By this I can find out the value there. Let me know the answer there. R square plus 1 minus 2r, am I right or wrong, is equal to r square plus 1 plus 2r. So I am clear, right? R square gets cancelled there. So do I get a quadratic equation? Yes, I will be getting a quadratic equation here. R square, so minus 2r will become minus 4r. Am I missing out anything there here? No? Yes, here nothing. So this 1 and 1 gets cancelled. No, yeah, is equal to 0. So my r is equal to 4. Oh. Am I right? That's it. R is equal to 4. Yes. R is equal to 4. Yes, very good. But you are asked to find out AB length. AB length is nothing but 2R and this is 8. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option called C. That's it. Yes, 8 is the answer. Perfectly done. We have done a similar type of question, right, in the previous class. Whomsoever followed my previous class can answer this. Right. Already I have given the logic there. Now you can solve this question very easily. Let's see how many can solve this. A basic question which was, I took it from one block. The sides of a triangle are 5, 7 and 10 centimeters. Find the length of the median to the longest side. Find the length. So what is the theorem that you should know? Either you can solve it with Stewart's theorem. Either you can solve it with Apollonius theorem. Let me know the answer there. A easy basic question. Times in your examination, these type of questions might also be there. Any answer? Here I cannot spell your names in the class like this. So Somitra gave his name. So Somitra, what is the answer there? 3 seconds more. 3.5. New age digital. Only. Vaibhav, class चल रहा है बेटा इधर. Are you thinking something else? Yes, it is 3.5, right? We have done, I mean, of course, those who understood the previous question can solve this question very easily. Take down, I'll solve it. The sides of a triangle are 5, 7, 10, it seems. A, B, C. Find the length of the median to the longest side. Longest side I'll take down as 10 here. I'll take down 5 here. I'll take down 7 here. Yes. As I said, right, you can solve the same question using with Stewart's theorem, or you can solve the same question using with Apollonius theorem also. This is what your question has, AD value. by Apollonius Theorem. I'll write down the things there. AB square plus AC square is nothing but equal to 2 into AD square plus BC square, BD square or DC square, your wish. So this I will be taking down as 5 because median divides the base into 2 equal halves now. Yes, AB is 25, 25 plus 49 divided by 2 equal to minus 25 is equal to AD square. So 25 plus 49 is how much here? 74. 74 divided by 2 is 37. 37 minus 2 is 25. 12. 12 is nothing but called AD square. Ab dekho, right? AD, so 3 is 9. I mean 9 is 3. Automatically it has to be exactly between 3 and 5. There is only one option. You can write down this. That's an easy question. Let's solve. Yes, again. You have to find out the length of AB here. Yeah. Let's see how many can find out this. One of the best question. Don't use trigonometric values. Without trigonometric values, I am expecting answer from you. Using with basic triangle properties, you have to solve this. Don't use trigonometric values. I'm giving a lead also, right? So if you use trigonometric values, okay, fine, right? So you are a pure mathematical student from engineering branch. So non-engineering branches cannot solve with trigonometric values that much easily. Identities, or we can speak it as. An equilateral triangle of side 1 centimeter is inscribed in the square AB. And you are asked to find out AB length now. Is it C? Yes, very good, yeah. Excellent. Let us see anyone will confront our answer there. Is it C or B? Sure. Now I am confused. Is it C, B or A? Jemima, Soumitra. The answer? Sudhanshu, live hai kya, right? So do you think I'm a robot? Sudhanshu, right? So I spoke your name also. It's a live, yeah, pure live. Okay, chalo. So you are asked to find out AB length there. This is an equilateral triangle, it seems. So see here, this is nothing but called diagonal of the square. This is nothing but called diagonal of the square. Okay, I'll take down AB length as A. Now AD length will be root 2A. Everybody know. Let us keep it aside. How much it will be helpful, I'll see it. Now, observe there, I will take down up to here. Up to here, I'll take down this point as X. In an equilateral triangle, what will be AX? AX will be altitude of the triangle. Now this is 1. Equilateral triangle of 1 is given there. So how much will be this? This will be root 3 by 2. Everybody know about this. Now you closely observe there. I am observing a triangle called this one. This triangle. And everybody know diagonal will divide the angle at the vertex into 2 equal halves, because this will be a triangle of 1:1 root through. And this will be 45 degrees. Everybody know. Now closely observe there. This will be equilateral triangle per median altitude. Perpendicular bisector, everything will be same. Now if this is 90, this will also be 90. Everybody know. Now this is 90. If this is 90, this angle will be 45 degrees because this triangle should be 45, 45, 90. 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle will be in the pattern of 1:1 is to root 2. Am I right or wrong? Everybody know about this 1:1 is to root 2. Now see, these are the equal sides there. Now how much will be this angle? Everybody know this is 1/2. This will also be 1/2. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there, AD value is nothing but equal to root 3/2 plus 1/2. Am I right or wrong? And this will be nothing but called root 3 plus 1/2. Yes, Crystal, very good. Now how much is your AD? Root 2a. So automatically my A value will be equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. And your option number C satisfies that. Perfectly done. Exactly. So don't try to take trigonometric identities. It will be a very toughest task, right? Because you cannot remember each and every trigonometric identity that much easily. Let's see how many can solve this. It's a basic mensuration question here. So I'm shifting to geometry to mensuration, basic mensuration questions. Today I took some easy questions today, right? 4 or 5 easy questions are there. Normally I don't take these type of easy questions because you can solve without my help also. Any answer for this? A normal calculative based question here. There is no that much hyperbolic thing in this. No one. Here क्या हुआ? Eight, 6, 5, 4. Array. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are in the ratio of 6:7:8. Very good, very good, excellent. So I'll take down a common factor so that I can make it very, very easily. And the difference between the cost of covering it fully with a sheet of paper at the rate of 4.50 per square centimeter and 6.25 per square centimeter is 4599. Find the volume. So everybody know cuboidal box का area बताओ भाई. So area, total surface area. Anybody? A basic thing na. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Right or wrong? So see here. So area, first of all, I'll find out the area now. See here, L is 6x na. 2 into 6x into 7x will be 42x square. Plus PH, 7 8s are 56x square. Plus LH, 6 8s are 48x square. Easy. Into. So difference between 6.25 per square centimeter minus 4.50 per square centimeter. Now this entire value is nothing but equal to 4599 it seems here. Let's calculate all these things. So 6.25 minus 4.5 is 1.75. So I'll write down this one. I'll keep it. This is 1.75 beta. See, this will be get calculated. 42 plus 56 plus 48 is 146. 2 into 146 x square into 175 by 100 is equal to 4599. I hope so. You will be getting 9 or 3. I think so, right? You can calculate it very easily. 4599 into 100 divided by 175. 2628 divided by 146. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So x square is equal to 9. And my x value is nothing but equal to 3 upon calculating all these things. Now what is the question asked? Find the volume of the box. It seems volume of a cuboidal box is L into B into H. Now I can calculate this is 6 into 3, 18, 6x is 18, B, or otherwise, right, you can write down like this also. 6 into 7 into 8 into x cube. X cube is nothing but equal to 3. Calculate this 907. Only one guy gave me the answer there. What is this? Right? 6 into 7 into 8. Yes, it is 9072 centimeter cube. Your answer. Hope so you're understanding this thing. See here. One such again. Let's see how many can answer this. Again, I want you guys to find out AB value in this question. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. .5 is not the answer, John. 0.5 is not the answer, Crystal. That's what most of the students fumble here. That's why I got this question. Most of the students pick up this 0.5 only. So you have missed out in the procedure itself. Right? Restructure it. Ten seconds more. 9765. A. Who is this? New Age Digital. Yes, very good. A is the answer there. A square is inscribed in an equilateral triangle of side 1 and you are asked to find out AB. Very good, very good. I don't know your name, but very good. So what I will do is I will take down this value as x. Now what will be this value? This value will be 1 minus x because total value is 1. Now closely observe there. This is a square it seems. So the angle formed here will be 90 degrees. And everybody know this is an equilateral triangle. This will be 60 degrees. And this will be 30 degrees. So this is a special triangle. Everybody know 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle will have sides in the ratio of 1:√3:2. Of course, your 2 value is given as x here. So automatically, what will be your 1 value? 1 value will be x by 2. Will be your 60 degrees opposite value will be √3/2x. Finally, if AC value is root 3 by 2x, CD value will be also be root 3 by 2x. And everybody know this value will be x by 2. Now I will add this all together, which is nothing but equal to 1. I Pallavi. So see, if I add this all together, x by 2 plus root 3 by 2x plus x by 2, it is nothing but equal to side of an equilateral triangle, which is nothing but equal to 1. Yes, upon calculating this, can I write down this as root 3 by 2 plus 1 into x is equal to 1. So finally x value is nothing but equal to 2 divided by root 3 plus 2. But my question is AB value. AB value is nothing but how much more? Root 3 by 2x. Am I right or wrong? So in the place of x, I will substitute this root 3 by 2 into 2 by root 3 plus 2. So upon rationalizing this, I can write down this root 3 into root 3 minus 2, and denominator will become 1. Root 3 whole square minus 2 will become 1. So my answer will become root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So 2 into root 3 will be left over. This is my option. Any of you got this? And option number A satisfies this. Perfectly done. Little bit of tweak there, right? Coming to the next one, let's see how many can solve this. Those who know basic properties of circles can solve this question in 30 seconds here. Let's see how many can solve this. So I have seen this one of the finest question. Of course, the question is very, very easy if you know the property. You can solve this question in 30 seconds. What is the value of the x if the line is tangent to the circle? Or T is not the answer, AB. You are asked to find out x degrees here. X degree value. What did you find out there? 60. No doubt. No. 80. No. No, Pallavi. No, it's not 80. How was Apko? Sudhanshu, right? You can just type it geometry and mensuration. My name in on YouTube. You will get right from basic, right? I've done a comprehensive course on geometry for free on YouTube itself. You can watch those videos, right? It starts from simple basic. What is line? What is angle? What is line segment? What is ray? Everything I have done it. 70. No, yaar. No. How can it be 70, Pallavi? So I am the winner right now. I made you guys to do wrong answer, right? So therefore we have a property. How many of you know this is nothing but chord of the circle, this is nothing but tangent of the circle. Angle made by the chord and tangent will be equal to angle made by the chords in the alternate segment, which we call it as alternate segment theorem. How many of you remembered this? Alternate angle made by the chord and the tangent will be equal to angle made by the chords in the alternate segment. So now this is 70. Now this angle will be completely 70. If this is 30, now this will be 40. Now this dotted line is nothing but called radius of the circles. So see here, this is an isosceles triangle. So this angle will also be 40. What will be my central angle? My central angle will be 100. Am I right or wrong? By this, right, see here, if my central angle is 100, my inscribed angle x degrees will be how much? 50 degrees by inscribed angle theorem. And my x is 50 degrees. Who gave me this 50 degrees answer? Nobody gave me the answer there. That's it. A simple property, na? Those who can crack this can easily understand this. I hope so. I'm clear regarding this. Done. Shall we go for the next one? Yeah, this is my favorite question here. Let's see how many can solve this. Those who can solve this can get 99.9% for sure. This diagonal will divide the rectangle into two triangles of equal areas. Am I right or wrong? So if this is A, this is B, I hope so you understood. The diagonal will divide the rectangle into two triangles of equal areas. Perfectly done. So I can you can observe this point there. Now, so this is also a diagonal BD. Closely observe there. This is nothing but called intersecting point O, it seems. Okay. Any other point given there? Sorry. Second. E and F are the midpoints of AO and CO respectively. Now E is a midpoint of AO. I'll write down like this. Now F is the midpoint of OC. Now G is the intersecting point of medians of the triangle. Medians of the triangle EBF itself. Now EBF is a triangle, and you closely observe that G is the median, it seems. I'll take down. This is G. This is G and this is median, it seems. Okay, fine. Now if the ratio of the area of EGB and area of rectangle is A is to B and A and B are co-primes, find the value of A plus B is the question asked. Chal, I'll solve like this. Now, observe the case there. Triangle ABC. Let us suppose take I'll take down like this. Rectangle ABCD area. Rectangle ABCD area. I will take down as X now. Let us suppose take X. Now, how much will be triangle ABC area? Which will be exactly half, because diagonal of a rectangle will divide the rectangle into two equal triangles. Will it be X by 2? Yes, perfectly, X by 2. Now closely observe there. Come to this triangle ABO. And again EGB is the point asked. Now I'll take down EGB also. From E to G I'll take a line segment. Closely observe there. I'll take down one more point. Now ABO in triangle ABC. Now see here BO is nothing but called median. Am I right? Or median, which divides the triangle into two equal halves. Now how much will be triangle ABO? So ABC is X by 2, matlab ABO will be X by 4. Will you accept with me? Yes. And you closely observe there, BE is nothing but called median of the triangle ABO. E is exactly midpoint, which divides the base into two equal halves. So automatically a median will divide a triangle into two triangles of equal areas. Now closely observe there, ABO triangle. So I will take down BEO triangle. BEO triangle is how much, ma? Is it X by 8? Yes, it is X by 8. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now, let's come to the thing there. Now see here, everybody knows G is centroid, it seems. Am I right? Or intersecting point of all medians is called? Intersecting point of all medians is called centroid. A centroid divides the triangle into this median into 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. Now closely observe that BEO triangle. In this BEO triangle, EGB value is 2 parts. So total 3 parts value is X by 8. And I want EGB triangle. EGB triangle is 2 parts area. 2 parts area will be how much, ma? Will it be X by 12? It is X by 12. And I got my answer perfectly. Now triangle EGB area is nothing but equal to X by 12. Rectangle area ABCD is nothing but how much? It is X. So finally, is it 1:12 there? 1:12 is nothing but equal to A:B. A and B are co-prime numbers because there are no common factors. How much is A plus B then? Is it 13? Yes, it is 13. So how many of you got this value there? Option is 30. Done. Simple basic properties of triangles will help to solve this question fatafat and easily. Hope so clear. Yes. Shall we go for the next question? We'll go for the next question. Rather than this, I want you guys to answer this question. This is my favorite question. See how many can solve this. Then we'll come back to the next one. If at all time permits, I'll continue with the next question. 2 minutes, try this. A semicircle with center O is drawn inside rectangle. This is also a question which was what I call this, inspired from a PYQ. If I draw the thing there, you can solve it very, very easily. So that's why I'm not drawing the diagram. No answers. Yeah, kya hua? But you guys will solve this. We'll take the question there. A semicircle with center O 260. Oh yeah. Let's see. A semicircle with center O is drawn inside rectangle ABCD such that longer side BC is the diameter of the circle. So A, B, C, D. Now BC is the diameter of the circle, it seems. Okay, fine. So I have drawn a semicircle like this. I'll draw a little bit neatly. Yeah, sorry, yeah. 1 second. Okay, I'll take down like this. Now what is the point given there? So this is O, it seems. Point E divides AB in the ratio 5:4. Line DE is tangent to the semicircle. Line DE is tangent to the semicircle. Okay. So see here, I'll take down like this. This is DE. Am I right? DE is tangent to the semicircle. Now see closely up. So there AB, point E divides AB in 5:4, it seems. I'll take a common factor called X here. Now AE will be 5x, EB will be 4x. Now everybody know AB will be equal to DC and this will be 9x. Okay, fine. Line DE is tangent to the semicircle. If the area of triangle DEO, so this is area of the triangle DEO beta, right? This is DEO. Okay, and you closely observe that this will be the radius of the semicircle. I will be taking down this radius of the semicircle as r. Now this will be r, BO will be r, and OC will be r. Now what is the point given there? How to solve this? Now you closely observe there, E is an external point. I'll take down this value as some P. Okay, P. Now closely observe that EP is a line segment, EB is a line segment. These are nothing but called tangents drawn onto the semicircle from an external point. And these tangents will be of equal area. EB is 4x, matlab EP will also be 4x. How many of you got this point there? Perfectly done. Similar case, from an external point called D, I have drawn a tangent DP. I have drawn a tangent DC onto the semicircle, which is of equal length because they are drawn from same external point. This is 9x, matlab PD value will be 9x. Perfectly done. And I know area of triangle DEO. DEO is nothing but half into my base value is ED. My height value is OP, which is nothing but called 65 square units. So what is ED value? Half into ED value, 9 plus 4 is 13x. And OP value is nothing but called R, which is nothing but called 65. So finally 13 ones are 13 fives are, finally my X into R value will be equal to 10. Now what is the question asked? Area of the rectangle is the question. Area of the rectangle is nothing but equal to AB side is 5 plus 4, 9x into how much is this 2R? Am I right or wrong? BC side is 2R. Finally this will be equal to 18 into XR. Now how much is 18 XR? Yes, John, it is 180. Very good. XR value is 10 and my answer value is equal to 180. I hope so I'm clear. How is the question? How is the question, right? Is it fine? So let's continue in the next class, right? We'll continue with the next series in the next class, right? Let's come to the things there. Now, as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription, right? And yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Price per plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, these are normal prices, but we have a special offer, right? Flat 20% offer is there. So right now the price for 12 months is 31,412 only. It is not 35,339. So do try to use this offer, and the offer is valid up to July 29th. Right, use my code NLN10 and get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right? Even for for iconic also, right, you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And yes, right, those who are interested to take only test series, you can go for this GATE Lite subscription. And I am forwarding my notes. I'm interacting on the community feature. Do try to ask your doubts regarding your career, right? Whatsoever, right? I'll be dealing all your doubts there. So let's interact on community feature. And yes, right, Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. If you have a question, you need not wait for anyone. Click the picture, upload in doubts and solution, select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes there. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. And yes, do try to join my special classes, right? So that my special classes has very good count, so that you can, I mean, my strategy sessions are blockbuster here. Each and every class there are more than 200 students. Try to join it. The interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube channels. Yes. So do try to hit the like button. Share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel. Download the PDF from the Telegram groups and communities, right? Hit the bell icon, right? Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.